it going? I miss you guys so much. I'm going to do a little check-in with you guys. I was feeling a little bit in the blue this week because I miss seeing all of you so much. But then I took some deep breaths. I went for a walk, and that made me feel a little bit better. And I also got to see a lot of you on Zoom. And I also got to call some of you. And I also got to see some of you when I went to the school this week. And that made me feel a lot more in the green. I wanted to show you on our calendar what day it is, because I haven't really done a check-in with a calendar lately. I put a star on the day it is right now. It is April 23rd. That is a 2 and a 3. So my question is, should we do stomps 23 times, or should we clap our hands 23 times? Which one should we do? You can choose which one you do. I'm going to stomp my feet. I wonder if you're going to be able to hear my stomps. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh my goodness. That was 23 stomps. And I got a song that I thought we could sing. It has been a while since we've sung it. It is Slippery Fish. So get your slippery fish fingers out. Okay. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a octopus, an octopus squiggling in the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a tuna fish, splashing in the water. A tuna fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking in the water. Great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting in the water. Humongous whale. Pardon me. Oh my goodness, preschoolers. That was a fun song to do. I haven't done that one for a while. So I wanted to show you our schedule. First things first, we are going to get some materials because we're going to make something pretty cool. We are going to get cornstarch. We are going to get 1 part water, and we are going to get 2 parts cornstarch, and we're going to put it in a bowl, and we are going to mix it all together and see what happens. So check it out. I got my bowl, got my cornstarch. So I'm going to do 2 parts cornstarch and 1 part water. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons. I'm going to get my tablespoons and I'm going to put 1 in, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got my 4 parts cornstarch. And then I am going to put 2 parts water. So I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons of water in. 1, 2. And now I forgot my spoon, so I'm going to go get that really quickly. I got my spoon. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to stir and see what happens. It's kind of sticky. So this, once you kind of stir it and mix it together, then you get your handy dandy tray out. I am going to use a baking tray because that's the type of tray I have in my home right now. But whatever works. And I am going to put it on this tray. And I'm going to unstick it. Oops. And I am going to, I think, maybe add a little bit more water because I don't think this is quite the way it's supposed to work. But it's supposed to be both liquid and solid. So it's neither liquid or solid. I'm going to put a little bit more water and see what happens. Maybe that was a little too much. Okay. Oh, check it out. So it becomes really sticky. I don't know if you can see this. And then you can put parts of it, but then it dissolves and becomes liquid again. Whoa, check it out. You can stick it. I wonder why that is. The parts of it are solid. You can make it solid, but then when you let go of it, it becomes liquid again. I wonder why this is. I don't know. What colors do you see? What do you notice about it? Wow, check it out. You can create different things with it. You can get a little ball. I can roll a ball in my fingers, but then when I let go, it just becomes liquid again. You can make some wonder statements about why it's doing that. What do you think? So check it out. It's both liquid and solid. I wonder why that is. So I can pick it up and I can make it into a ball, but then I let go of it and it becomes liquid again. How cool. So I can squeeze it and maybe roll it into a ball, which I'm going to try and do. I'm going to roll it. Okay. And look at my ball, and then it becomes liquid. Whoa! How cool is that? I wonder why that happens. Do you have any ideas? I can pick it up, but then when I let go of it, it becomes liquid. It's neither a solid or a liquid. I wonder why that is. Maybe you can make some wondering statements or some predictions about why you think that is. It's very sticky. That's what it feels like to me. It sticks to my hands and I can squeeze it and it kind of breaks up into little pieces and then it kind of just falls. I wonder why that is. Well, this was the end of Science with Teacher Vera. I will see you guys next week. Bye!